everyone. Compliment of the season. Happy Christmas in advance. Happy Christmas to my fellow Nigerians, because I think it's Christmas already there. So tonight I just want to make a little body polish that I want to use for a treatment, but I said let me make a quick video of it so that you guys can learn and know how to use this. I always use this particular recipe to treat like a hyperpigmentation. The person that is going to use this, for example, have a kind of burn from acid, you know, so and that place become like a dark and refuse to like clear up on time. So this scrub is going to help like soften the marks, because this is like hard somehow. So this scrub is going to help, or body polish is going to help to soften that place, and with the cream and the other serum she will be applying there, it will help it to clear faster, because I've tried it before and it worked. So let's get right to the video, okay? So in this Purex cup, I have 1/4 cup of rice powder, a tablespoon of chickpea powder, also known as besan, a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of coffee powder, that is ground coffee, not instant coffee, please, and a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Okay, and here I have citric acid. If you don't have citric acid, you can use raw lemon or lime. Here I have kojic acid powder, a tablespoon of kojic acid powder and a tablespoon of citric acid powder. And here I have sugar, and this is my carrot oil. I'm using only carrot oil that I made homemade here. And here I'll be adding lemongrass essential oil to it, and rosemary essential oil. So you can see the items I'm using here is very small, because I don't want to preserve it. It's something that you just make and use it up, or highest keep it in your refrigerator for 2 days or 3 and make sure you use it up. This particular body polish can be used it can be used every day, or you can use it 2, 3, 4 times, depends on how you want. Okay, so let's get mixing.
It's a Blue J production.
Is the end result of our body polish, so you can see. So the kojic acid there will help exfoliate and brighten the skin. The citric acid there also help exfoliate and brighten the skin. The besan, rice powder, coriander powder, everything in it has the job it does on the skin. But this is very good body polish that you can use to remove any dark scars, or don't use on your face, okay, especially if you have sensitive skin. But if you don't have sensitive skin, you can use a little on your face. Okay, so that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful. Bye bye.